Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove any lines or power harnesses from the work area before continuing. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Using a paint marker, draw a line 3/4 inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Step 3. If you wish to keep your torsion bar bracket, our part features a perforated plate that can be removed. If not, remove your bracket. Step 4. Paint the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Push the part onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tack weld the part onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Then you're done!